We are pleased to show you the 2021 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.